for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Sembut Menteri Rangbak Jela Meghalaya ubah kemi ketenat transport ubah senyawa balangdhar ula penting bagi sarkar kan sepedmi gajing penmena ban penteri kamno dekat speed limit hak surok baper jong gejela. Komisi bentah bendadai gajing bat ban penunai gajing ja aksiden kali bat wanra ajing singanya berok kinong yat nong yeng. Habakiran hiklat patai kubor hak arpsau terik uleber arhajar arpusan ubah senyawa balangdhar ule itu bola dep isyok jing elang bat barok kitenat beren bentah kena kam halur gajing singanya gisurok. Da kebakedo baketenat kelapen kere ekane bat hapo ar nelai benai ansala benwara gajing penbenah lor upuat jong gajing nya stat gi kali hagi surok baper hagi jakasor bat ki surok ba. Ubah senyawa balangdhar ule itu uru bagi sarkar kelabata ketenat pulet ban pentikna ya gajing perkeng halor gajing nya kali klam akor. Bat barok kitenat beren bentah kakam labata agi begin syem ya barok kisenjam mantek lakam gajing ja aksiden hagi jaka bala itu kum ki jaka bajujur bha gajing ja aksiden. Ulong syuk bagi dan kijaka ke baju jabha gijing ja aksiden kumta ketenat kelabata badai ban penbet ya gijing batha ban pentikna gijing duna gijing ja aksiden hadian habut.
On road safety, we used to have once in a year, so today we are having it. All the related department, they have trying their best to cooperate and coordinate with the other line department. Yes, maybe not up to the mark, but they are working very hard. And we are insisting them to work harder, so at least to make sure that there will be less accident on the road in future. You see, yes, when the report is there, so yes, there is few locations which accident frequently happen, so we suggest that we see what we should do, what corrective measures should be there. For example, if there is any near the school, we advise them to put rubber strips, speed breaker, and if there is any cough which is frequently accident to place, we advise them to see how to correct the place. Something that is always to prevent accidents. Not only to the two-wheelers, even for the vehicles. We request the police to make sure our speed should be strictly prohibited. We are working towards that. Maybe in a matter of 2-3 months, we'll be able to come with notification to notify this is the speed limit for a particular road and for a particular junction.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.